Do you say sorry too often, even when it's not your fault? Most non-native speakers do. You say it to sound polite, but instead, it makes you sound guilty or unsure. Today, we fix that. I'll teach you 6 phrases that you can use instead of, I'm sorry. Welcome to English with Bruce. You're in the right place if you want to sound natural, confident, and respected in global English. Hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell, and let's stop apologizing for no reason. 1. I appreciate your patience. Instead of saying, sorry I'm late, use this pattern instead. Pattern. I appreciate your noun for the listener's action, attitude, or effort. After I appreciate your, add a noun that names what the other person did, showed, or gave. It's usually about their action, attitude, or effort. Use the pattern like this. I appreciate your flexibility. I appreciate your time. This turns guilt into gratitude. And gratitude always sounds confident. 2. Let's find a solution. After you say, sorry, there's a mistake on the report, use this pattern. Pattern. Let's find, figure out, plus noun or action idea. After find or figure out, add a noun, a thing, or an action idea, what needs to be done. Use the pattern like this. Let's find a better way to handle this. Let's figure out what went wrong and fix it. Confident people don't dwell on mistakes. They own them, fix them, and move forward. 3. Thank you for understanding. Instead of sorry for the delay, use this pattern. Pattern. Thank you for noun, ing action. After thank you, you can use either a noun or an ing verb, which behaves like a noun. Noun names a thing, your help, your time, and an ing verb describes an action, helping, waiting, understanding. Use the pattern like this. Thank you for waiting. Thank you for your patience during the meeting. Gratitude keeps the power balance equal. Apology gives it away. 4. Here's what I've learned. Instead of, sorry, I was wrong, use this pattern instead. Pattern. Here's what I've, past participle verb. After I've, always use a past participle verb that shows what you've experienced or discovered. Don't use a noun. Use the pattern like this. Here's what I realized from this experience. Here's what I've learned about managing expectations. This turns failure into growth, and that's the language of leaders. 5. I see where you're coming from. Instead of, sorry, I disagree, use this pattern. Pattern. I see, understand where you're coming from, but different opinion or suggestion. Use this pattern to show empathy first, then share your opinion or suggestion politely. After but, add your idea, perspective, or solution. Use the pattern like this. I see where you're coming from, but we might consider another angle. I understand where you're coming from, but let's listen to the sales team's perspective. It shows empathy without surrendering your voice. Confident, calm, collaborative. 6. Let's move forward. Instead of, sorry again, use this pattern. Pattern. Let's move, focus, work, plus preposition phrase showing direction or goal. After move, focus, or work, we usually add a preposition phrase like on, toward, or into to show direction, goal, or next step. Use the pattern like this. Let's move into the next phase of the project. Let's focus on finding a clear solution. Let's work toward a better result next quarter. You're not ignoring the problem. You're steering the energy toward progress. That's what confident communicators do. Respect without defensiveness. That's confidence in action. So next time you feel, I'm sorry, coming, pause, breathe, and use one of these instead. You'll sound more confident, more professional, and more like a leader. If this helped, like, subscribe, and hit that bell. And don't miss this Sunday's idiom lesson. Until then, stay confident, stay curious, and keep speaking strong.